Building a successful online business. 5 lucrative ideas to consider. In the rapidly evolving landscape of the digital age, the potential for establishing a successful online business has never been more promising. As the world increasingly embraces the convenience and accessibility afforded by the internet, entrepreneurs find themselves presented with a myriad of opportunities to thrive in the virtual realm. Whether you're a seasoned business professional or a budding entrepreneur, venturing into the online sphere demands a strategic approach and a keen understanding of the diverse avenues available. In this article, we delve into the dynamic realm of online entrepreneurship, aiming to guide and inspire those seeking lucrative opportunities in the digital domain. Building a successful online business requires more than just a novel idea. It necessitates a deep comprehension of market trends, consumer behavior, and effective strategies for sustainable growth. As we explore 5 distinct and lucrative ideas, each holding the potential for financial success and personal fulfillment, readers will gain insights into the intricacies of e-commerce, digital product creation, affiliate marketing, subscription box services, and online consulting. The digital economy offers an expansive canvas for innovation and creativity, allowing aspiring business owners to carve out niches tailored to their expertise and passions. Join us on this journey as we unpack the essentials of each online business idea, offering valuable insights and practical advice to empower individuals in their pursuit of building a thriving digital enterprise. Number 1. E-commerce ventures. The e-commerce industry has experienced unprecedented growth in recent years, transforming the way consumers engage with businesses and purchase goods and services. Fueled by advancements in technology, changing consumer preferences, and the global shift towards online transactions, e-commerce has become a lucrative avenue for entrepreneurs. As the digital marketplace continues to expand, understanding the dynamics of this industry becomes paramount for anyone aspiring to build a successful online business. Starting an online store presents a compelling opportunity to tap into the vast consumer base that traverses the digital landscape. However, success in e-commerce goes beyond merely setting up a virtual storefront. It requires a thoughtful approach to niche selection and meticulous market research. Entrepreneurs must identify gaps in the market, assess consumer demands, and strategically position their online store to meet those needs. Choosing the right niche is a critical factor in the success of an online store. By conducting thorough market research, entrepreneurs can identify target audiences, evaluate competition, and uncover unique selling propositions that set their business apart. This initial phase sets the foundation for a sustainable and profitable online venture. Selecting an appropriate e-commerce platform is a pivotal decision that influences the functionality, user experience, and scalability of the online store. Various platforms offer different features, payment gateways, and customization options, and entrepreneurs must carefully evaluate these aspects to align with their business goals. Effectively promoting an online store is essential for driving traffic and generating sales. Implementing a robust marketing strategy involves leveraging social media, search engine optimization, content marketing, and other channels to reach and engage the target audience. Entrepreneurs must continuously refine their marketing efforts to adapt to evolving trends and consumer behavior, ensuring sustained visibility and profitability in the competitive e-commerce landscape. As we explore the intricacies of e-commerce ventures, it becomes evident that strategic planning and a customer-centric approach are paramount for success in this dynamic and ever-expanding digital marketplace. Number 2. Digital products and services. In an era defined by digitalization, the demand for digital products and services has reached unprecedented levels. Consumers increasingly seek convenience, accessibility, and innovative solutions that cater to their evolving needs. This paradigm shift provides fertile ground for entrepreneurs to capitalize on, creating and delivering digital offerings that resonate with the modern market. One of the most compelling avenues within the realm of digital products is the creation and sale of informational content. Ebooks, online courses, and tutorials cater to a diverse audience hungry for knowledge and skill development. Entrepreneurs can leverage their expertise in specific domains, crafting comprehensive and valuable digital resources that address the pain points and interests of their target audience. The proliferation of smartphones and the ubiquity of digital platforms have fueled a burgeoning market for software and applications. Entrepreneurs with programming prowess or innovative ideas can capitalize on this trend by developing and marketing software solutions that address specific needs or enhance user experiences. From productivity tools to entertainment apps, the digital landscape offers boundless possibilities for those who can identify and fulfill user demands. The gig economy has witnessed a surge in demand for digital services, providing freelancers with ample opportunities to showcase their skills and expertise. From graphic design and writing to programming and digital marketing, freelancers can offer their services on various online platforms, connecting with clients seeking specialized skills for specific projects. Establishing oneself as an expert in a particular field opens doors to providing consulting and coaching services in the digital realm. Entrepreneurs can leverage their knowledge and experience to guide individuals or businesses, offering valuable insights, strategies, and personalized advice. Establishing a strong online presence through websites, social media, and webinars is crucial for attracting clients and building credibility in the digital consulting arena. As we navigate the landscape of digital products and services, it becomes evident that entrepreneurs have a vast canvas to explore, innovate, and cater to the evolving needs of a digitally engaged audience. Whether creating content-rich digital products or offering specialized services, the key lies in understanding market demands and delivering value that resonates with the online consumer. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has emerged as a dynamic and lucrative avenue for individuals and businesses seeking to capitalize on the power of collaborative partnerships in the digital era. At its core, affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services of other companies and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated through the affiliate's efforts. This symbiotic relationship benefits both parties, with merchants expanding their reach and affiliates monetizing their marketing prowess. Understanding the concept of affiliate marketing is fundamental to leveraging its potential. Entrepreneurs become affiliates by partnering with companies or joining affiliate programs, gaining access to unique tracking links that monitor the traffic and sales generated through their promotional activities. Selecting a niche for affiliate marketing is a strategic decision that influences the success of an affiliate venture. By aligning with a niche that resonates with their interests and expertise, affiliates can build credibility and effectively cater to a specific target audience. Niche selection is not only about personal preferences, but also involves assessing market demand, competition, and the potential for affiliate commissions. Building an effective affiliate marketing strategy involves several key components. Identifying reputable affiliate programs that offer competitive commissions, high-quality products, and reliable tracking systems is crucial. Content creation and promotion play a pivotal role, with affiliates utilizing blogs, social media, email marketing, and other channels to engage their audience and drive traffic to the affiliate products. Monitoring and optimizing affiliate marketing campaigns are essential for sustained success. Affiliates need to analyze data, track performance metrics, and adapt strategies based on the evolving landscape. By staying informed about industry trends and consumer behavior, affiliates can refine their approaches, maximize conversions, and ultimately increase their affiliate income. As we delve into the realm of affiliate marketing, it becomes clear that strategic partnerships, niche expertise, and adaptable strategies are the cornerstones of a successful affiliate venture in the ever-evolving digital marketplace. Entrepreneurs exploring affiliate marketing should embrace its collaborative nature, positioning themselves as valuable conduits between consumers and the products or services they passionately endorse. Number 4. Subscription box services. In recent years, subscription box services have gained immense popularity, reshaping the way consumers discover and engage with products. Entrepreneurs have seized this opportunity to create niche-specific subscription services, offering customers a unique and personalized experience that extends beyond the traditional retail transaction. The success of a subscription box service hinges on its ability to resonate with a target audience. Entrepreneurs must carefully identify a niche that aligns with consumer preferences and passions. Whether it's beauty products, gourmet snacks, or fitness gear, a well-defined niche allows subscription box services to cater to a specific demographic and build a loyal customer base. Launching and maintaining a subscription box service requires meticulous attention to logistics and fulfillment. Entrepreneurs must establish reliable supply chains, source high-quality products, and ensure timely and efficient delivery. Managing inventory, handling customer inquiries, and optimizing the subscription box's unboxing experience are critical components that contribute to customer satisfaction and retention. Building a successful subscription box service goes beyond acquiring initial subscribers. It involves strategies to retain and grow the customer base. Providing consistently high-quality products, incorporating customer feedback, and offering exclusive perks to long-term subscribers are effective retention tactics. Entrepreneurs can also explore partnerships, limited edition releases, and referral programs to attract new subscribers and foster a sense of community around their subscription box brand. As entrepreneurs venture into the realm of subscription box services, understanding the importance of niche selection, logistical excellence, and customer retention strategies is paramount. The ability to offer a delightful and tailored experience through curated subscriptions positions these services as more than just products. They become a recurring source of excitement and satisfaction for subscribers in the ever-evolving landscape of online commerce. Number 5. Online consulting and coaching. In this digital age, the demand for expertise and guidance has paved the way for a thriving industry in online consulting and coaching. Entrepreneurs with specialized knowledge in various fields, ranging from business and career development to personal wellness, can leverage the power of the internet to connect with a global audience seeking valuable insights and mentorship. Establishing oneself as an online consultant or coach begins with identifying a niche in which the entrepreneur possesses expertise. Whether it's executive coaching, life coaching, career advice, or specialized industry insights, a well-defined niche allows entrepreneurs to target a specific audience and tailor their services to meet the unique needs of their clients. Building a personal brand and online presence is crucial for success in this field. Entrepreneurs can create a professional website, utilize social media platforms, and engage in content marketing to showcase their expertise and attract potential clients. Offering free resources, such as webinars, blogs, or downloadable guides. Effective communication channels, such as video calls, emails, or online messaging platforms, play a pivotal role in delivering personalized consulting and coaching services. Entrepreneurs must prioritize building strong relationships with their clients, understanding their goals, and providing actionable advice that facilitates positive outcomes. As online consulting and coaching continue to gain momentum, entrepreneurs have the opportunity to make a meaningful impact on individuals and businesses worldwide, fostering growth, development, and success in a virtual landscape that transcends geographical boundaries. In the dynamic landscape of online entrepreneurship, we have explored 5 lucrative business ideas that hold the potential to reshape your journey towards success. From the expansive realm of e-commerce ventures to the creation of digital products and services, the opportunities are diverse and ever-evolving. The affiliate marketing landscape offers collaborative ventures, while subscription box services bring a personalized touch to consumer experiences. Lastly, the field of online consulting and coaching empowers entrepreneurs to share their expertise globally. Regardless of the chosen path, success in the digital marketplace hinges on meticulous research and strategic planning, niche selection, market analysis, and a deep understanding of consumer behavior are pivotal elements that pave the way for a thriving online business. Entrepreneurs must navigate the complexities of the digital landscape with a clear vision, adapting their strategies to meet the evolving demands of a dynamic and competitive marketplace. As we conclude this exploration into building a successful online business, it's essential to encourage aspiring entrepreneurs to take the first steps. The digital realm offers a vast canvas for innovation and growth. The journey towards success begins with a combination of passion, perseverance, and adaptability. Whether venturing into e-commerce, digital products, affiliate marketing, subscription services, or online consulting, the key is to embrace the challenges, learn from experiences, and continuously refine strategies to build a sustainable and flourishing online enterprise. Embark on your entrepreneurial journey with confidence, armed with insights from this exploration, and unlock the vast potential that the online business landscape has to offer. The future of business is digital, and the possibilities are limitless for those who dare to innovate and navigate the exciting avenues of online entrepreneurship. For a regular dose of entrepreneurial inspiration, like and subscribe to our channel.